Hello everyone, my name is Henriette from Violin Strings, and some people have requested I play some tuning notes on a little video. So here we are, there are the tuning notes for the violin, and this is meant for those of you who are just setting out on their violin journey to help you tune up your instrument. I'm starting on the string which is furthest to the right, which is called the E string, and that should sound like this. So at home you can join in playing this string. If it's not quite sounding the same as this one, you have two options. You've got to make it higher sounding, in which case you use the adjusters if you have those on your instrument, and you turn it clockwise. Clockwise turning makes the string sound higher, anti-clockwise makes the string sound lower. If it is way out of tune, you're going to have to use the pegs right here, and this one is for the E string, but you have to be extremely careful using these because many people have broken their strings before because it's always a bit sticky when you turn it. So I would advise you to loosen that peg first, which is tuning it towards you, so this way, loosening it, before you then tighten it again, because that is a bit sticky and it might well snap the string if you're not careful tuning it. So I'll play you the E again. And now we go on to the A string, which is the second string from the right hand side. Should sound like that. Again, turning this adjuster clockwise will make your string higher if you feel that you're a little bit lower than I was. Undoing it, turning it anti-clockwise will make your string lower. Here is your A again. There we go. Now we'll go on to the D string. And you can adjust your string clockwise going higher, anti-clockwise going down, making your D string a bit lower if you find you're too high initially. I'll play my D again. Gradually adjusting your string as necessary, and then I'll play you the G string. So I hope you have some luck. If not, book a Skype lesson with me and I'll talk you through on your particular instrument, but I'm hoping that'll be enough to get you going. Good luck with that. Do subscribe to this channel and find us on www.proamstrings.com.